Welcome to this video on organic certification. We will cover the essential foundations, including certification requirements, input materials, mass balance, and traceability for agricultural, handling, and processing operations. What does organic actually mean? It is more than just chemical-free. It is a verified system of production, handling, and labeling that ensures product integrity from the field to the final customer. Organic certification audits focus on 4 core principles: permitted practices, verified input materials, effective segregation to prevent commingling, and complete records to ensure full traceability. The path to certification involves defining your scope, conducting a gap assessment, creating an organic system plan, applying to a certifier, passing an inspection, and managing ongoing compliance. Your organic system plan is a living document explaining how you meet standards daily. It covers procedures, input lists, monitoring, records, and commingling prevention. Remember, if it's not written down, it doesn't exist for an audit. Controlling input materials is crucial. Every material requires documented approval before use. Prohibited substances must be avoided, and you should maintain a master list of all approved inputs. Facility and process controls are vital to protect organic identity. Key control points include receiving, storage, cleaning, processing, and labeling. Always be prepared to prove how you prevent commingling. Mass balance is a key audit check. Auditors verify that the quantity of products sold as organic is reasonable compared to your inputs, production, inventory, and losses. Significant discrepancies require investigation. Traceability must reconstruct product history without relying on verbal memory. You must link raw materials through processing to the final customer using lot codes. A mock recall is essential to test your systems. Your records must tell a complete story. Maintain organized documentation for suppliers, facility operations, and sales. Good practices include clear responsibilities and secure, backed-up digital records. Common nonconformities often involve expired certificates, unauthorized inputs, or poor separation. Implementing corrective actions like supplier matrices and regular mass balance reviews helps ensure you remain audit-ready. Use this 306-090-day implementation plan to prepare. Use the first 30 days for assessment, the next 60 to build your documented system, and the final 30 for verification and audit readiness. Thank you for watching this introduction to organic certification. For more resources or assistance with your certification process, please reach out to us at the email provided on screen.